What's up, friends? Back again with another episode. We are down to our last two products. And no, it's not what you see on the screen, but we definitely have had our share of battles on this channel. So, wheel and tire cleaners come in pre-rinse and non-pre-rinse. For instance, the Meguiar's and the Mothers do the same job, but they approach it differently. The Meguiar's, it says you have to pre-rinse, rinse off the tire first. With the Mothers, you just go for it. Just spray it on directly. But today, we're going to do something a little different. Meguiar's has served me well, but I won't be replacing that. No, as good as Meguiar's is, and I am a huge fan of Meguiar's wax and Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. But these new generation wheel and tire cleaners have really impressed me. So today's battle is going to be between Adams and Chemical Guy. So we're going to do Chemical Guy first. Chemical Guy Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. Now, they do have a, what is it called? I believe it's called Diablo Wheel Cleaner, which is not as powerful as this one. They also have one above this one, the Signature Series, which I heard is even stronger than this one. So I'm looking forward to get my hands on that as well. But like I said, today we're going to do Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner versus Chemical Guy Sticky Citrus. Which one is better? We'll prep our wheel and get right to it. Let's see. Directions. Always read the directions. Now this one, always rinse wheel surface off with clean water to loosen dirt and debris. Shake well before use, of course. Spray Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. There's a shine, so it can't. Let me see if I can angle this so I can see it. Spray Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner to get onto wheel face, inside barrel, spokes, hubs, rim, brake parts, and tire. So as you can see, not only does this clean your rims, but it cleans your tire as well. I've done two separate videos, one for the rim and one for the tire. So this time, I've decided to take a wheel straight off the vehicle. Most times people tend to use that nice long brush to get up into the barrels in the spokes. So this time we're going to take a better look at it. We're going to take the whole wheel off the car. So these wheels are going on the vehicle, but I've never really did a thorough cleaning of them. Like most people, I just go ahead, take it to the car wash, wash it in between the spokes, do the tires, do the face of it, then I'm done. But today, we're going to clean the barrel out. Look at all that dirt. All that dirt. Yeah, let's get to it. Yeah. Excuse the music in the background. That is like 2 blocks away, but they're playing it loud. It's a Friday, so I really can't control that. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right. Got it thoroughly sprayed down. So now for the brushing. All righty. Let's see. All right. Not too bad. You're only supposed to let it sit for 30 seconds. I think I went 2 minutes. So, better hurry up and get this stuff off. Oh, wow. I don't know what that is. Hold on a minute. This is going to be complicated. Nice. Very nice. And that's after 1. Okay. Well, despite the musical interruptions, I think the testing went well. That was 1 pass. Sprayed the whole tire, covered everything, top, bottom, side, circumference, inside the barrel. Did it once. Now, as I said before, usually when I wash the car, I just wash the car. I wash the outside of the wheels. I get in between the spokes a little bit, but I don't get deep down in it. So this would be the first time since, it's been some years since I've done a deep cleaning of just the wheel and tires alone. And for it to be like that after some years, that's good. Chemical Guys does what it says it's going to do. I'm very pleased with that, and I hope you will be as well. So that wraps up this video. I'm going to dry that off, put it on the car, and stay tuned for the next one. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Is it about the same? Is it better? We'll find out. Till next time, I'll see you out on the road.